Okay, so I'm back. Like I said, I wasn't changing my shirts or anything. Today, now we're gonna go ahead and put it together, try to follow the instructions. So I can see one thing I did wrong in the instructions. Remember when I did the unboxing? I just came here and cut this. There's actually a little pull tab here that I didn't see, but let's go through, get this sucker set up. So, let's see here. Let's follow these. Before use, rotate the knob to start. And also going by the instructions that I did see. And I missed this one. Okay, it pops out. I pull this off. Now, I'll keep that there for a second. And let's go start looking through stuff. So, what I can see, I'm going to plug this baby in on the back. Got a nice little Canon plug here. I'm just going to put it over how. See, the top one is for the computer. I'm going to go ahead and start recording on the computer. Power should go in the back. And I'll plug her up. I just happen to have a plug here. Okay, let me just look here for a second. Make sure I'm not doing anything that's going to screw things up. Okay, USB drive. It goes in the far right one. I don't even know if there's anything on this thing. This is supposed to be like some kind of safety switch or something. Not going to install the pipe. Get off the pipe. Okay. Plugged in. Remove that already. I'm sorry you missed it. Pull that off. You want to pull that now. Let's see here. Key. Pull down the projector. Okay, I'm going to remove this. Okay. I've already downloaded XCS. Had to upgrade it to the latest version. I hate how you have to sign in now. And it's like, I see credits there. I don't like that. Okay. I'm going to try to connect the device. So, kind of come over here. She turns on. Little startup sequence started here too. So let's see here. Let's try to connect her up with XCS. So, darn it. I should have gone further. So let me restart this here. I've never used this computer on the M1 or the D1. I'm going to go ahead and do an update. You know, the thing arrived a couple of days ago. Arrived in the U.S., what, like Thursday? I don't know. They come to you like this. It's like, I got to do an update already? It's not that far off for the calibration. I can tell already. So you got your little scratch paper here. I already know that. It's two-sided. Man, that's close for government work there. I bet you could take these little straps. Okay, never mind. I bet you could take these little straps here, and you could probably fashion this into something to carry the sucker around. I'm willing to bet that. I don't know. I guess these are free here, so I'll just try one. Let's see what kind of material they're made of. This is doing this little update and everything. So they seem like they're stainless. Now this is not stainless. This is aluminum, anodized aluminum. Right now, I'm sure my son is looking at me like, oh, damn, I could be sleeping. It's Monday. Summertime. When you go and, I don't know, enjoy the comforts of a job. But kids these days, they don't do that. Now let's see if I can do something that I have not done on any of my fibers before. Not burn something into the dadgum plate down there. I've done it on the first day of every fiber. But I only had 2 real fibers, you know. Well, I don't know. The 2-watt from Mr. Carve, they're not really fiber, I don't think. They just operate at 1064. The C2S, like I said, was crap. I don't even know if I want to put the videos out for it because only like 80 people got it on Kickstarter, and it's not like the first Mr. Carve, the M1, you know, it became like damn near famous, you know, because of the price point. But that thing was such crap. And it was mainly the software. Man, this has taken a long time. This is not a couple of minutes. I just got off of a call and realized that more than half of the people on there were members of the LGBTQIA plus community. I ain't got a problem with that. I ain't got a problem. I'm just saying they were. It's like a fact. And I started realizing that damn near everybody is freaking gay now. I mean, it's just like a fact of life. So you're supposed to put tape on this. They didn't give me any damn tape, and I ain't got no tape. So use the art scratch paper, the middle of the base plate. Yeah, that's middle enough. It doesn't have any bulges, so I ain't gonna worry about it right now. Man, now I wish something was down there, cause, man, I don't want to do this on the first day. Let's see what happens. Okay, it completed in 0.00 seconds. Left 2 little, oh, okay, I see what it did. It put 2 little cross marks there. See what they look like? Okay, let me go look at the video. See what they got to say. I am going to put this in here. I'm going to put this on here. See right there, some kind of discoloration, almost like a rubbing or something. Okay. So let's see here. We're going to take a picture of it. I'm sitting here rubbing on this dang thing. So let's take a picture. And it's in there. Press it. And that was it. And we are done. Just did our first engraving. It's not exactly what I wanted because I wanted it filled in. Boom, boom. But I'm going to do this again because I can. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to fill the stupid thing in. Okay, so next. I mean, it's just so easy when you had like cutting and all that stuff over here. Aligning. It's the stuff that used to be at the top. Maybe if I go in easy panel, there's something I'm saying. No, just the type. You selected it. Oh, there it is. It's a drop down now. So now it's going to be engrave. Haha. Let me make sure that the framing's right. Start it. Push the button. Can't explain it. That just, well, no, it's aluminum. But no, even on aluminum, I'm used to hearing zzz. Let's see what we do on some stainless here. Because now I got to go because, I don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's got some depth to it. You can actually like rub your fingers across it. I'd almost wonder what would happen if you were to, what the heck, why not? Let's get it real deep. This will be the last thing and I'll be done. So I'm wondering if I can't hear the sounds that I'm looking for because this is like inside this. I would raise it, but neither one of us are wearing the laser glasses. I kind of like that sound. Okay, I can hear it kind of through here. Oh man, can you hear that? I mean, you can't hear it, but can you see it? Like, I bet you that's gonna be deep. Now, I thought we were supposed to be able to see the time now, but I didn't see a time. May have missed it. Oh, we're almost done, folks. And then I'll try to figure out how to do embossing. That's the one I think you need those credits for. I'm hating that. Okay, it threw some energy in there, y'all. That was hot. No, that's not gonna do it. What can I touch this with? It's not like aluminum where it cools real quick. That is super deep. 2 passes. Oh yeah. And because of the offset, it created the black. Because you know when you have work with a Z offset, so the second time it went through, it created that black. So, oh man, you could just rub your fingernails if I had one across it. Okay, I'm gonna call that it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm a non-influencer, so I don't get free stuff from X Tools. And hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is the first one to make it to YouTube that was not made by somebody who got it for free. See you guys later.